made a list of promises to you. I just had to write them down and say them out loud. I feel so lucky that God gave me you. You lift up everyone around. I can't believe what I found. Manon, will you take my hand? Just smile and say, catch me if you can. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this, our love so true. Forever only running after you. Now I can't wait for the children we will raise. I hope that they have your heart and your smile. Well, it used to be that home was anywhere I was, and now it's only by your side. I wanna take the longest trail with you, one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this, our love so true. Through thick and thin, and even when the world has other plans, no matter what we face and where we land, well, I will always be your man, be your man. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. To Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, we'll keep chasing this, our love so true. I wanna take the longest trail with you, the one that starts right when we say I do. From Mary Hall to Brianna Drive to Grand Marais and up the mountainside, you're my best friend too. I'm so thankful that God gave me you. Forever only running after you. Forever only running after. Do you ever think about it? How people fall in love. It's not the way that they look, as for movies and books. It's a feeling that creeps inside. It ain't the fancy kind, it just builds over time and holds a spirit together when it tears. It's what I got inside, it's what I'll live and I'll try to give you all of my life. Honey, I love you like the real thing, with your wrinkles and your scars. You don't have to hide them. You tell me something about your heart. And the places on your back leg say need surgery. I'll kiss and say it's beautiful until you start to believe. Have you ever stopped to notice how two hearts become one? They can see what they feel, hear what they mean. It's something that just can't be explained. It ain't the fancy kind, it just builds over time, holds the spirit together when it tears. It's what I got inside, it's what I'll live and I'll try to give you all of my life. I love you like the real thing, with your wrinkles and your scars. You don't have to hide them. Tell me something about your heart. The places on your back surgery. I'll kiss and say it's beautiful until you start to believe. Honey, I love you like the real thing. Honey, I love you like the real thing. Your wrinkles and your scars. You won't have to hide